200 grams of cubed paneer, 3 tomatoes chopped, 2 big size onions chopped, 6 to 7 pieces of small onions chopped, butter, 1 tablespoon of fresh cream, red chilies according to your taste, ginger small piece, 1 handful of green peas, clove, cardamom, cinnamon, bay leaf, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, cooking oil, salt. So these are the ingredients needed to make paneer butter masala. In a mixer jar, add big onions, tomato, ginger, red chilli, fennel seeds. Now grind this as a fine paste. Now on the stove, heat the kadai, add cooking oil, 2 tablespoons, grease it, add bay leaf, cinnamon, clove and cardamom. Allow it to splutter. Then add chopped small onions, saute it well. Then add 1 handful of green peas, give a mix, allow it to get cooked for 5 minutes. Now in this stage, add tomato onion paste. Just wash the mixie with fresh water and add that water also. Mix it nicely. Keep it in sim for at least 10 minutes so that the raw smell goes. Add salt, mix it well. Now you can add your cubed paneers. Mix it well, close it with lid for 5 to 10 minutes. I am doing in a very mild way. If you want, you can add garam masala powder, chat masala powder and all. I didn't add. Now add a small piece of butter. If you like, you can add more butter also. Now paneer butter masala is ready. You can transfer this to a vessel. Now just add little fresh cream to paneer butter masala gravy to enhance the taste. Please try the recipe, subscribe, comment and like the video.